that can be a little stressful with that rain. But speaking of things that are stressful, so is tax season. But it doesn't have to be expensive. United Way is helping community members file their taxes for free while making sure they get the refunds they deserve. So joining us today to share more about this valuable service, we have with United Way, Linda Harris. Linda, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about United Way and your efforts really to empower people.
Absolutely. So we realized one of the key factors in helping our neighbors to live here and to thrive here is to make sure they are financially stable, which is why we continuously seek out programs and services to help individuals and families in that area. So it's all about financial literacy, all about empowerment, and of course it's tax filing season.
It's tax filing season. So let's talk about this free tax prep and who can benefit from it.
Yeah, so the Earned Income Tax Credit Program, VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Credit Program, is for individuals with household income of $69,000 or less.
Okay.
So for those individuals, it is absolutely, positively free to participate in the VITA program.
Wow. And when you hear that again, because this is important, you want to get the refunds that you deserve. Absolutely. It can be very hard to navigate. So to have a free resource like this, if people are wanting to come, what documents do they need to have in order to get that help?
Absolutely. So they simply need a picture ID for the taxpayer and the spouse, as well as all the W-2s and 1099s, Social Security cards for household member, medical documentation, as well as their tax return from last year, if it's available.
If it's available. Okay, and don't worry, everyone. We're also going to have this on ksdk.com/showme if you're looking for that list again. So what other opportunities do United Way have? Because there are plenty for these families to find that financial stability.
Absolutely. So financial stability, is the key.
Right.
We want to encourage all those individuals that qualify to go to our website at 211helps.org and take a look at all of the 50+ sites that they have an option to select from to go to receive that free tax preparation services. In addition to receiving free tax preparation services, they also receive information on financial literacy as well.
Wow.
In addition to that, so that they can use this time of year as a state of the union for their household.
Yes.
A time to, take a look at their finances, how much money is coming into the household, how much is going out, and do a reset.
Yeah.
To do a reset. So state of the union for every household in the region.
What a beautiful opportunity. A wonderful time of year when you're already seeking out that help and that guidance to be able to dive deeper. So thank you so much, Linda, for joining us today. Again, you guys, tax deadline, it's coming up April 15th. April 15th. It will be here before we know it. We're going to have all that information at ksdk.com/showme. Of course, you can learn more. And the website again was
211helps.org.
211helps.org. All right, we'll have that later as well on our website. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.